Alam, wait. Alam niyo ba kung bakit ko ginagawa to? Kundi, bleh. Excuse me, I'm sorry for that. Napaka-epic. Okay, okay. Take two. Action. Alam niyo ba kung bakit ko ginagawa to? Hindi niyo alam kung ano yung tinatanong ko. Well, it's about pagre-record ng videos na as in ako, si Kiana, nagre-record ng kanta. Okay? Hindi ko to ginagawa para magpasikat. Okay? Some people may think na, naku, nagre-record lang para ma-discover. Buti nga hindi ko sa YouTube in-upload eh. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi baka ma-discover. Joke lang. Hindi, kasi kaya ako ginagawa to para makapag-entertain ng tao, to show off my talents, at hindi magyabang sa ibang tao. Okay? So, just to clear things up, I'm not doing this for the sake of my own good. I'm doing this for everyone who will watch my videos. Okay? That's it. Bye.